Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a web shop. First, select a suitable e-commerce platform. This crucial decision impacts your store's functionality and future growth. Evaluate options like Shopify, known for its user-friendliness, or WooCommerce, offering extensive customization for WordPress users. Think about your budget, the number of products you plan to sell, and your comfort level with technical setup. Many platforms offer free trials, allowing you to explore features before committing to a monthly or annual plan. Once your platform is chosen, it is time to set up your online store. Begin by registering a memorable domain name. This is your web shop's address. Next, dive into the administrative settings. You will need to define your store's currency, set up tax rates for different regions, and establish shipping rules, including costs and delivery areas. Finally, populate your store with products, ensuring each item has compelling descriptions and at least 3 high-resolution images to attract customers. Now, let us focus on making your webshop visually appealing and functional. Choose a theme that is not only attractive but also mobile responsive, ensuring a seamless experience across all devices. Personalize it with your brand's logo, color palette, and typography to create a consistent identity. Do not forget to build crucial pages such as an About Us section, a contact page for support, and a privacy policy to build customer confidence and meet legal requirements. With your store designed and products loaded, it is time for the final steps. Before launching, conduct extensive testing of every aspect, especially the checkout process, to ensure a smooth customer journey. Implement basic search engine optimization, or SEO, by using relevant keywords in product descriptions and page titles to help customers find you. Finally, announce your grand opening. Utilize social media, email campaigns, and perhaps some targeted online advertisements to drive initial traffic to your brand new web shop.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.